Alright, good morning everyone. We have another electric scooter unboxing video today. I ordered the Zondoo ZO01 a few months ago, and this time I ordered the ZO02. So we're going to do a little unboxing video, and I'm going to give you the specs of the scooter and whatnot as I go through the unboxing. Alright, so this scooter is located in their American warehouse. So unlike my last scooter, this one only took 5 or 6 days to ship in, and that's because it's located in the American warehouse, of course, because my last scooter was located in the China warehouse, which takes a little longer to ship. So the shipping for this took almost no time at all. So this scooter is built more for commuting in cities and whatnot. It doesn't have a lot of off-roading abilities, but this is a perfect commuter scooter, which is why I decided to pick it up. So the main metal of this scooter is an aluminum alloy, so that'll make it strong and durable. It can hold up to 150 kilograms, and the scooter itself weighs about 20 kilograms. So here we just got some fenders for the scooter. And then what I like about ordering from Zondoo Tech is all their tires are always full when I order them. For my last scooter, I didn't have to inflate the tires at all, and they're still fully inflated. So I really appreciate not having to do a lot of work when I buy my scooter. So this tire right here is going to be 20 inches, and this rear one is going to be 16 inches. So the larger tires help out a lot more when you feel all the little cracks and bumps of the street and whatnot, which again makes it a great commuter scooter. But it doesn't have the springs and whatnot for off-roading abilities. But this one's nice and light to bring through the city and whatnot. Right, we've got our handlebars, and then the battery that runs this scooter is a 36 volt 10.4 amp hour battery, and it takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge it up all the way. So it's got a pretty good battery, and then the motor that runs this entire scooter is 350 watts, so it's got a nice little motor that'll get you through the city. Alright, we got our front tire, nice and inflated. And then it does have normal disc braking, as we can see on this side. So once we put it together, it'll use normal disc braking to stop. And in this bag, we have the lights that go on the front of the scooter when you're driving in the afternoon or whatnot, so you can be seen and see the road. Alright, and this is the base of the scooter right here. Also show it a little bit more in some future videos. But this is pretty much the layout of the scooter. And then here we get a user manual of the scooter. And then we get some of the charging parts. And then a clamp. And then inside here, I believe, is the battery of the scooter. Yeah, so the battery is inside this box right here. And then you do get a few parts to help put everything together. And then for the specs of this scooter, the specs are that it can go up to 30 kilometers per hour and that its max distance is also 30 kilometers. And then another thing that is 30 is the angle in which it can climb hills. So it makes it perfect for the city. Not so much as fast as my other scooter video, but enough speed to get you there. Alright, I'm going to take a second to read this user manual and then figure out how to put everything together first, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, I think we're ready to put the scooter together. So I'm just going to put it together real fast and you guys can just watch along. I'm just using the user manual to do everything. So it'll be a little slow since this is my first time putting together the scooter, but I'll just show it to you all as I do it. We got 2 sets of keys right here. Be nice just in case you lose one, and it'll prevent people from taking it, which will be even better. It looks like this part is adjustable, so that'll make it easy in case you're a little taller or whatnot. Right, it looks like this locks your stem in place, this piece right here. And then this piece will lock it into place. So it'll keep it nice and snug. So yeah, that's a pretty tight fit. It doesn't really wiggle too much. So then time for the handlebars. Handlebars have grooved surfaces, so it makes it nice and easy. Just adjust this a little bit. Perfect. As I was saying, this part right here is grooved, so it really holds the handlebar well into place. Once you find a good spot for it, you're just going to lock that in. Should be good. Now for the front wheel installation. Fit that guy on there. So this is where this piece comes into play. Gonna loosen the top. Take off the little protectors on the bottom. And then we're gonna put the scooter on. And then this will help us take it off because the bolts are already pre-installed, so you just have to take them off. That way you can put the scooter back on later. Down. Rear wheel on. Put this guy up. Put this guy on. Alrighty. Got the front wheel on. So now we just need to put the fenders on. All right, so this one is fully attached. This piece right here just keeps the fender on place and make sure it doesn't get caught up on anything, so it just stabilizes it, which is a nice feature. So then you attach this one on this side and the other one on the other side, obviously. And once you get those attached, that's pretty much it. Of course, you'll have to go through and tighten everything to make sure everything's snug like this. So you just go through and tighten them all again with some tools and whatnot. But for the most part, everything about the scooter is pretty much there. You just gotta do all the tightening and whatnot. And then in the following videos, I'll be doing performance ratings on it and seeing how it stacks up to its specified rating. And that means like if it goes as fast as it says, or if the battery lasts as long as it says. So I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing video, and stay tuned for the performance video of this scooter. All right guys, a few quick little notes for after the unboxing. For my video, I put the handles on backwards, so that's an easy fix. You just adjust it right here and just turn them around. I wasn't paying attention, but once you get it flipped around, the handlebars are real ergonomic and they're real nice. They got nice grips to them right here. And then I'll talk about the other features in the next video, like the lights and the horn and whatnot. But from the last video, those were just the things that you had to go over. And then I'll show you some other things that I had to change around while I was doing the unboxing. So if we look right here, when we were putting this fender on the other side, I had to bend this bar just a tiny bit in order to get it to fit right here. So you just do a slight bend and then you put it in this orientation, and then that way it'll hook right on there. Because when it was straight, it was a little off, so you just have to bend that a little bit. And then in regard to the braking system, the pad was a little close to one of the edges on the left side, but these braking pad systems are nice because you can adjust them. So I just had to move the pad a little bit to the left and to the right using some tools, and it sounds much better right now. The disc right here doesn't rub up against the pads right there anymore, because there was a little noise before, but now that noise is gone, so that's very beneficial to the scooter. Besides that, I didn't have to make hardly any other changes to it. I moved the handlebars down a little bit, but again, you can adjust them right here to whatever height you need. But that's all the changes that I had to make in the unboxing video.